Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to embed a Google form in an email? While it is not possible to fully embed a form, this guide will show you how to include a link or snap that direct recipient to your Google form. Let's embed a Google form in an email. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, when you try to compose an email, as you are looking right here, this is the interface and this is how it looks like. Now you can embed a couple of things in this email, such as your files using Drive, so you can literally go to Drive and insert files from it. Either insert photo, insert emojis, link files or attach files, or insert a link. Otherwise, there is nothing specific that can literally allow you to add any kind of Google Sheets, Docs, or even like a form. So this is a reason why this video has came out. So it can help you in a way to actually manage to send an email using your basically normal email template and add in your form. So the form usually will come out simply something like that. Now, as you can see, you can here on the right have several options. Make a copy, move to trash, get prefilled link, print, add collaborators, script editor, get add-ons, and others. Now, these things are not really that much of helpful things. They will not help us at all in our video. The only thing that will help us is the send button. So after clicking on send, you'll be able to find this pop-up right in front of you, which obviously gonna allow you to share this Google form. Now to share it, you have to choose link and you can copy it. But first we have this send form that's basically you can use it, of course. And that's why I'm going to come back to it later on during this video. So let's talk about the link first. After you copy the link, well, obviously you don't want the link to be that long, so make sure to shorten it, then copy it. So here, it is the way that we use it usually. You simply have to use the recipient, then the subject. Please, for example, please make sure to submit your information, this form as fast as possible. And here, this is the link to the form. Just like that, we have managed to insert the form in our email. Well, the form itself, of course, we're not going to draw it in here and have buttons in the email because it is something impossible. At the moment, I don't know about the future, but at the moment, it is pretty hard in Gmail. So you have to include the file. And basically this file can work as a redirection for this person who are you going to send this email to. Click on it and they will be taken to this page. So let me just open it real quick, like in incognito. They will be in here. So the next thing to do is simply answer these questions and send this thing. So this is one of the things that you need to know. The second thing, or the second option, is basically send via email. So here you simply have to write the email or the recipient of the person that you want to send this to. So enter names or email addresses. Here write the subjects, message, and include, for example, from an email, and then send. So this is very important, guys, that the fact that in case you didn't check this box, you will not be able to actually include the form in the email and you will not be able to get the direction to here. So this is something that is very much necessary. Let me send it to myself and send it. And as you can see, I have sent it to myself. Now let me just check the inbox and check if it's gonna be sent to me. Now, after I have sent it, look how it shows. Well, yes, here I actually can now answer. Obviously, it has the answer things, it has the submit thing, but from the composition itself, as you saw, guys, you cannot really do so. You have to do it from the Google form area. So once you try to send, send the email with a form as a Google form and make sure that it will open something like that. Now, as long as your form is pretty much visible or has some visible visuals in it that are pretty much decent, not very hard to actually be visible in an email, then it will work without any glitches. In case you have 3D models, 3D stuff going on, high FPS things, high demanding graphics, well, then the email might, I insist that might not send the whole form, but glitches some of it. But otherwise, this is basically what you will need to understand to get into the actual Google Forms thing and get into the actual Google Form connection with your inbox and email in general. So in this, guys, the best thing about it is you can send it via not only your email, but yeah, you can send it to an Outlook, you can send it like to Yahoo, Mail. So there is a lot of variations, so you're not stuck only with Gmails, which is very good. So that's something that you really need to know about and to think about. That you're not only limited with Gmails now, you can send it to other things as well. And this article, guys, actually includes a third way, which will be available for you as well, which is basically by using this Embed HTML code, which will allow you in the composition itself when you submit it. Normally, it will allow you to actually have it. So we need to embed it. Let's go to the article back right here. As you can see, we need to copy the code, copy the HTML code and embed code to your form. So as you can see, choose and adjust it so it can be the size that you want. Then share your, basically you just have to go to your email and create a new composition. And basically, as you can see here, embed the link within it. And this is like a simple way that you can basically send your Google form throughout an email. So yeah, it covers basically the embed code thing, but usually, as you can see, it's not really that's something that's working, nothing visuals in our screen, so it is not really a high recommended thing to do. You simply have to follow one of the two methods that I have shown you at the beginning, which is basically by either having the form sent directly from here, not from your composition, or simply by the link like that, copy the link, paste it in your email and send it. And just like that, you can click on it and it will be directed, or you can just like, for example, click here, select here, go right here, and put the URL of the form, and you can literally just click on this word and they will be redirected to your basically to your account. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.